After facing the frustrating out-of-application memory problem in Excel on my Mac and testing countless solutions, I finally found several effective methods that truly work, and I'm eager to share them with you now. This video will show you exactly how to fix Excel Mac out-of-application memory error by understanding what causes it and applying proven solutions. First, we will look at optimizing Excel's own settings. Excel can be a real memory hog, especially with complex spreadsheets. Many built-in features like fancy animations, live previews, or even how many times you can undo something constantly demand bits of your Mac's memory. By adjusting these within Excel's preferences, you tell the program to be less greedy. This frees up significant resources, making Excel run smoother and preventing it from hitting those memory limits. Next, we address managing your Mac's overall system resources. Your computer has a limited amount of working memory. When Excel complains about being out of memory, it often means other programs running in the background are using up what Excel needs. Closing unused applications or simply restarting your Mac is like clearing a busy road. It gives Excel a clear path to access the memory it requires to function properly without freezing or crashing. Our third solution involves clearing out old application data. Over time, Excel stores temporary files, cache data, and preference files. These can become huge or even corrupted, causing Excel to mismanage memory or leak it slowly. Getting rid of this old, unnecessary clutter forces Excel to start fresh. It's a bit like cleaning out a messy desk so you can find what you need more easily, resolving hidden issues that cause memory errors. Finally, keeping your software and operating system updated is crucial. Developers regularly release updates that fix bugs, improve how programs use memory, and make everything run more efficiently. Older versions of Excel or macOS might have known problems that lead to memory errors. By installing the latest updates for both Excel and your Mac, you ensure you have the most stable and optimized versions, which often prevents these frustrating memory issues from appearing in the first place. These methods combined provide a robust approach to keep your Excel running perfectly.